Chinchillas are like the softest, fluffiest little balls of cuteness you can imagine. These adorable creatures come with fur that's so silky smooth, you'd think they're made of clouds. One cool thing about chinchillas is that they're super clean. They don't need water baths like most pets. Instead, they roll around in dust to clean their fur. Sounds strange, but it works like magic. They're also quite low maintenance, which makes them great for people who want a chill pet. Just give them a comfy cage, some healthy food, and they're happy little furballs. Chinchillas are usually most active in the evening, so they're perfect for someone who's busy during the day. They're also not loud or destructive, which is a huge plus for apartment dwellers. Overall, chinchillas are just lovable, quiet pets that add a little fluff and joy to your life.